Hello and welcome everyone. Today's class will learn about designing tap drill of M10/1.5 mm. So let's start with today's topic. We designed the drill bit using Solidwork software, and here I have Solidwork 2018 version. I just create new part. Activate the top plane, sketch and then normal it. Draw line from origin of 19 mm dimension. Again, take line and draw lines as per shape of drill. Then remove perpendicular constraint of this line. Take dimension between this point and this point is 28 mm. This point to this point is 40 mm. This vertical line of 3 mm dimension. This line to this line distance is 5.5 mm. This gap of 3.75 mm, and this should be 5 mm because we want to create 10 mm bit. This line should be aligned by 30 degree and this aligned by 45 degree. Now give perpendicular constraint to these two lines. Maintain this distance of 2.5 mm. Now this drawing is fully defined. Now we revolve boss base to create circular part. Give axis of revolution to horizontal line. Revolution angle is 360 degree. And click on tick mark. Here we get circular part. Now we assign the material for this circular part. I will assign satin finish stainless steel. Take one more top plane, sketch it and normal. Draw one horizontal line from origin of dimension 30 mm. Close the sketch. Now take front plane, sketch and normal it. Take central line. Draw taking projection of origin and end of circular part. Take one more central line and draw triangle so that middle of triangle comes to vertical line. Angle between these two lines is 60 degree. This angle also 60 degree. Horizontal line of 1.5 mm because we want pitch of 1.5 mm. Vertical distance of 0.19 mm. As per dimension, draw triangle using the line. Horizontal central line and solid line distance is 0.08 mm. Fillet the lower corner by 0.09 mm radius. Close the sketch. Now create swept cut by selecting currently created sketch and path as sketch 2, that is horizontal line. Select profile twist as specific twist value. Twist control is revolutions and number of revolution is 20. Click on tick mark and here we get threads. I just orbit it. Take one more top plane, sketch and normal it. Zoom it to end of circular part. Take corner end of rectangle and draw near to end. Of dimension 13 by 3.5 mm. Draw one center line. Make rectangle vertical line and circular part end line are collinear. Assign the distance between center line and end of rectangle is 4.5 mm. Draw fillet at one end of rectangle of radius 2 mm. Click on Extrude Cut. Extrude cut the sketch both sides through all. Click on Circular Pattern. Select Extruded Cut as feature and any circular face as a direction one. Here I want 4 instances of equal spacing. So now we get extruded cut at 4 sides. Take front plane, sketch it and normal it. Draw one horizontal line of taking vertical projection from origin and from the end of line draw tangent arc. Assign smart dimensions, horizontal line of 31 mm and arc of 18.2 mm radius. Create vertical constraint between origin point and end of horizontal line. And maintain this distance should be 7.5 mm. Close the sketch. Click on top plane, sketch and normal it. Take spline command. Draw spline as shown in image and close that spline using line. That line should be 7.3 mm dimension. From origin to end of line has distance 2.04 mm. Then origin to end of spline has vertical distance of 2.43 mm. Then origin to end of spline has horizontal distance 1.68 mm. Then origin to other end of spline has a horizontal distance 4.99 mm. Then origin to end of line has vertical distance 6.86 mm. Close the sketch. Click on Swept Cut. Profile fall swept cut is sketch 6, that is closed spline. Swept path is sketch 5. After selection, click on OK. And here we get swept cut. Now I have to create this shape in circular pattern. So click on circular pattern. Here we give direction as any circular face. I want here it rotate by 360 angle and number of instances 3. Then click on OK. Now I select circular pattern instances and this end side circular face. Now I will assign material for the selected area. Pick chrome in that chromium plate and OK. Same material add to remaining circular part also. Now I apply scene as plain white. Now pick on fillet and select this edge as item to select. Give radius as 1 mm and OK. And here you can see we get smooth edge. Actually, tab bit always has taper, not straight. So for that, at first we create one reference top plane. For that, select top plane, then click on reference geometry. In that, select plane. Make sure offset distance is 0.3 mm. Flip direction and click on OK. Now select newly created plane and sketch it. Take a line and draw as per shown. Make sure this horizontal distance is 2.9. Draw one central line from origin and it should be horizontal. Vertical distance between central line and sketch is 4.25. And this side is 5.92. Then click on Revolve Cut. Give direction angle 70 degree. Now just rotate it and feed in an opposite direction. Is there anything balanced? If anything balanced, then click on direction 2. And direction 2, let's give 5 degree. Make sure all area should be covered. If not covered, increase angle to 10 degree and OK. Now you can see difference in threads at start and end. Now create multiple number of pattern. For that, click on circular pattern. Select feature to pattern as cut revolve and direction is any circular face. Then OK. Now change view setting as you want. Again create one more reference plane. For that, click on top plane, then reference plane and sketch it. Pick central line and draw on end of circular face. Then click on text and type any text as you want. It may be beat name, company logo, whatever. Then select the text, bold it. Assign the property as you want. Then OK. Then select split line from curve tab. Select end circular face. Click on single direction and reverse direction also. So that whatever text we enter, it align with face. Then OK. Select the letter and assign color. Then select each and every letter separately. So we can define a particular color. Assign color which we want, then OK. Assign chrome plate end of drill bit. To render this, click on Solidwork add-ins. In that, select Photo View 360. Then click on Render tool. Then select on Preview window. And here we can able to see preview. It looks nice. I hope you like it. Thank you.